Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie, and welcome. Today I'm so excited because we are making beer battered chicken breasts, and I cannot tell you how phenomenal these are. My mom and I were going through recipes one day, and we saw that we had beer battered fish, there's like beer battered shrimp, so we thought, why not try it with chicken? And that is the best decision I think I've ever made in the kitchen. So I'm so excited to share it with you. As always, if you like the recipe, make sure that you give us a big thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed, make sure you do that right now. All right, guys, enjoy.